Mailchimp Automation Sequence tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Mailchimp and its automation sequence. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first up, this is the website right here, mailchimp.com, and over here what I want you guys to do is just simply log in or sign up if you have an account. And I'm gonna go ahead and sign up for you. It's very simple. Just simply click on the sign up button and you'll be arriving onto this home page where you just simply have to enter in your email address, your username, your password. Just simply click on this button and just simply click on sign up. After that, you're good to go. And once you do that, they'll basically send you an email address, and all you have to do is just check your email and verify your account, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and to do that. And over here, as you can see, this is the email over here. Just simply click on activate your account and it'll redirect you to the main part of the website where you have to move on. So over here, as you can see, just simply click on I'm not a robot, and let's get this show on the road. And then you'll be, over onto this page where you can see all of the plans. There's a free plan, the essentials, the standard, and the premium. In the essentials, you'll pay $11 a month with 500 extra contacts, and with the standard one you'll get 500 contacts already, and when you get the premium one you'll get 2,000 contacts right at the start, so you don't even have to go ahead and search for contacts. Over here, as you can see, we are going to be using the free email. We won't get any contacts from the get-go, but we already have 2,000 contacts a limit, so we'll be able to get 10,000 email sends and 2,000 contacts. So let's go ahead and click on next. And over here, let's just set up our account, the first name, last name, business name, website if we have it, which is optional, and a phone number, which is also optional. And once you've done that, they'll basically ask you your address and the zip code and all that stuff. Just simply click on continue and you'll be moving over to the contacts and then customize and then finish. Do you have any contacts? They're going to ask you. If you check yes, just simply click on the contacts that you have. If you click on no, you'll basically go okay, that's okay. They can help you find the contacts with ads and languages. So I don't have any contacts, so I'm going to click on no. And then over here they're basically going to ask you what is your products or services online. So I'm going to click on services and click on continue. And how do you currently sell online? Your own website or e-commerce store, another business website or e-commerce store. I'm going to choose this one, click on continue, and over here they're going to ask you for additional services if you want them. So you have e-commerce, newsletter, Mailchimp presence, courier highlights, whichever one you want. I don't want any of these, so I'm going to click on continue. And there you go, we have now set up our account and we're good to go. Over here, this is going to be your recommendation center, or like a checklist where you just simply have to complete all of these to move on. But we're not here to do that, we're here for the automation. So let's go over here onto the left side, and over here we have a couple of different options. We have create, audience, campaigns, automations, websites, and integrations, and all that stuff. All you want is gonna go over to the automations, and over here we have a bunch of different options. So we have customer journey, transactional email, retargeting ads, and postcards. So over here we have a template. Over here, as you can see, we have welcome new contacts, recover lost customers, create repeat customers, email tagged customers, or send multiple offers to abandoned cart customers, and all of that. And then down below we have some help if we want to. This is very all good, or you can go ahead and create one from scratch. So I'm gonna go ahead and create one from scratch so that you guys can get a better idea. Over here is going to be the name, the eternal name, which is required. So just enter in the name of your email or yourself. Simply click on start building. Over here they're going to ask you to choose a starting point, so let's go ahead and choose a starting point. This is some of the popular ones out there. So you have the popular ones. We have contact activity, date and special events, shopping activity, marketing activity, and API integrations. So it all depends upon the type of business you're offering. So let's just say that we have an online e-commerce store and we're offering a lot of different products. So we have in the shopping activity, we have all these different ones. We can go ahead and connect it now. So we have buy any products, buy specific products, buy from a product category, and all of that. And we're gonna go ahead and do that. But before I do that, let me just go ahead and check out some of the popular ones over here. So these are some of the standard ones, like a sign up, welcome new sign ups, introduce your brand, turn on your contact into customers. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually choose that one. Over here, you've chosen the sign up, and you have the option to include imported contacts. So if you already have contacts, you can go ahead and import them and start with them as well. So we're gonna go ahead and click on save starting point, and over here you can add whatever you want. You can also add another starting point. So basically what we did is we created a integration, right? We've created a workflow. Whenever someone signs up onto your website, you can send them this email. This email will be sent them directly, and then over here on the left side you have all these different options that you can also add them. So we'll basically click on this button, and we'll just choose send email, which is going to be another email. We're going to click on this email, and we're going to start working or designing our email. So this is basically going to be how it looks like to and from their email address, from your name that you entered. This is going to be the subject of the email, and this will be the schedule every day as soon as possible, or you can go ahead and change that. And then down below you can go ahead and start designing your email with a template, or you can use a previous campaign as a template. So I'm going to select a template and see what they have over here. And over here we have a lot of different options. So we have a lot of different templates. We already have some of the featured ones with a basic layout, and then we have the basic ones, like we are going to be upgrading them from scratch, like adding our own photos and stuff like that. So I recommend going with whatever you feel most comfortable with, but for the sake of this video I'm just going to choose this one. So as I said, we're like we have a website online, we're selling products, so we're going to choose something like that. So this one, I think the first one looks pretty nice. You have your logo on top, we have our product name and the product picture, and down below we have the features. It's a very small and compact email, so I think this would look good. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose that. And over here, wait a couple of seconds for it to load up. And over here, as you can see, this is a very basic editor, basic drop down editor, drag and drop. You can add more text. Over here on the right side you have all these different options that you can use. You can add buttons, codes, videos, product recommendations and stuff like that. You have footers and everything, and you can go ahead and start editing all of this. So over here you can just simply add in your logo. Just simply click on this button over here, edit button, and over here you can you have your image over here. You can go ahead and replace it, link it, or alternative, you can go ahead and style it and have the settings option as well. So in the contents, we're just going to go ahead and replace it, and when we click on replace, we're going to be going over here where we basically have all our images uploaded. But as you can see, I have no images uploaded, so we're gonna go over and upload an image for our logo. And if you don't have a logo, you can just create a logo very simply by just using Squarespace. They also provide a very good logo maker. Squarespace.com/logo. Over here you can create your logo. Just simply enter in the name of your company. So let's just say that we are a clothing brand, right? We'll just say Daily Fashion. Click on next, and over here you will have all the symbols needed for your logo. You can search for any symbols you want and be more comfortable with it. This is basically a very subtle design, and down below you will see all of the things. This is going to be your card, and this is going to be how it looks like on a video logo. This is going to be how it looks like on a shirt. It looks very good, very minimalistic, and you can choose any design you want, and you can choose you can even add a tagline. We'll just say everyday best, and then we can move it as wherever we want, like in the middle over here. And let's just scroll it down a little bit. There you go. Or actually, let me just put it over here. Yeah, everyday best. I think it looks pretty nice. And then you can change the shape. You can search for anything. So right now we have this play button. I think it looks pretty good. And we'll just click on save logo, and we'll just download the logo once we are logged in. And once you sign up, they'll basically give you all these options of what type of logo you want. So let's go ahead and download the black PNG. Actually, here we go. We're just gonna select it and insert it, and there we go. Our logo is done. Now we can go ahead and change the size of the logo. Let's go ahead and lower it down a little bit, something like that. And once it's done, we can go ahead and change this name over here. Then we can add the product photo the same way, and if you have one, then everything else else, like if you want to change this one, you can go ahead and just simply click over here and just start writing whatever you want, whatever you're comfortable with, and change everything. And once you have, done everything, just simply click on save and close, and over here just simply click on save and return to journey, and you have created an email. And then if you want to add more emails, you can go ahead and add more, or once it's done, you can just go ahead and save the journey, and there you go, you basically have done it. Now what we can do is we can activate it, but to activate it you'll need to upgrade your account. So there you go, and that's how you basically create from scratch. But we were basically trying to send multiple offers to abandoned cart customers. So if I click on this one, as you can see, I will need to have a paid membership plan, an audience, and a connected source. So you need to have all of this to basically activate your automation that you have created. And once you've done that, you're basically done. So that's how you basically create an automation on Mailchimp. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.